What's up everybody, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to download all of your Instagram photos and videos. Now I've experimented with a lot of ways to do this. There's a ton of websites that claim that they do it, that claim they can download everything, but the sad reality is, from my experience, none of them work. Luckily, I have a reliable app for you guys. It's called 4Kstagram. It's completely free. You don't need any accounts or to log in or anything like that. I do think they have a paid plan if you want more features or to access more accounts. But from my experience, the free version works extremely well. So let's go ahead and hop on my computer and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so here we are on my computer, and this is the website that you want to go to, 4kdownload.com/products/product-stogram. I'll go ahead and put this link in the description to make that easy for you to find. And this app is going to easily allow us to download all of the photos and videos from our Instagram profile. It should automatically know your device type, but if for some reason it doesn't, you can click there and then select your device. Then you just want to hit Get 4Kstagram and it will start to download onto your computer. Once you have that downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it up. Once you have it opened up, it will look like this, and all you want to do is type in your username up here at the top and then hit enter. And that's going to begin to download all of your posts. Now this could take a while, it just depends how many posts you have. But what you want to do is go ahead and hover over this and then click the folder right here. That's going to open up the Finder, or the place where it's storing the files. You'll see they continue to download here. The newest will be at the bottom, the oldest will be at the top. And then you just wait for all of them to download. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Store them on your computer or send them to your phone. Or you could place them on a hard drive. Go ahead and do whatever you want with them. Store them however you would store your normal files. As you can see, it just downloads the original photo or video file. And there you have it, how to easily download all of your Instagram photos and videos. And they'll be right there in that folder and you can do whatever you'd like with them. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like short, quick tips, or if you like longer, more in-depth videos. I've been experimenting with a little bit of both, so just let me know which one you guys like better. As always, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media, mobile apps, tech, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.